So you just received your iPad in your photo booth or in your iPad box. Make sure you have the USB-C cable connected to the bottom and know where your camera is. So for this one, I'm using the 13. It's on the right side. Some of you will have it at the top. So keep in mind, whatever faceplate you guys are using, there is a little cutout for the camera here or here. All right, so when you receive it, you're gonna have, if you received it direct and set up by us, it's gonna look something like this. If you guys get it straight out of the box, it's gonna look a little different and you'll have to download these 4 apps. Other than that, you would have to go to settings and you're gonna turn on your accessibility and you're gonna turn your guided access on. So make sure that's on. Make sure you set a, you could do this touchscreen and then also add a code, okay? A code that you're gonna remember, like do not forget this. So when we're gonna use that is when like you're gonna, let's say you're gonna drop off this photo booth, right? And you're gonna leave it at the event and you don't want people to slide out of the apps. So what we're able to do is disable this feature, which is called guided access. And the way to do that is after you set this up, your passcode, and you turn this on, you're going to triple click your home button. Some people have it up here, some people have it here, but watch 1, 2, 3, and then we'll have to do it faster. Oh, actually, I don't even have my code set up. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. Now let's triple click. Oops, 1, 2, 3. Let me get out of here. I think it's in there. There we go. So triple click out of that app, and whichever app that you're going to stay in, which in your case it's going to be Luma Booth, Luma Share, TouchPix, Curator, Simple Booth. Those are just to name a few. Once you're in it, you're going to hit start, and now I'm unable to get out of the app until you hit 1, 2, 3, type in your code. And you could always change your code, and then you're going to click on end. All right, so now I can easily access my entire iPad. So that's the first thing that you're going to want to enable. Next thing, my display out. This is my display settings that I like to have all the way up. Have this off and this to never. All right. Other than that, those are like the main things. Obviously, you want to connect to your Wi-Fi right over here by simply clicking on it and then changing it. If you guys have any Bluetooth that you want to connect to, it's an iPad, so I wouldn't imagine you guys connecting anything to it other than maybe like a hotspot, but that's under your Wi-Fi. So after you do that, you're going to notice these 4 apps, Luma Booth, which is what we use. When you click on it, you're going to go ahead and register. We're going to set you up with we'll have you registered. And after you register, that's when we will send you a voucher, which you're going to sign in after, and then you're going to claim that voucher so you can sign into Luma Booth subscription for those of you that have the package that has that feature. And then, whoops, let me go back over here. Luma Share is the app that you're going to be using when this is used as a sharing station. So for those of you that are pairing this photo booth with a 360, you're going to use Luma Booth on the 360, and then you're going to use Luma Share here. As long as you have Luma Booth open on the other booth, it will pop up here and you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Next, you have Canva. You will be using Canva for majority of the designers. You guys are going to be using Canva. Others will use Photoshop, Bazaar, just to name a few that are out there. Everybody has their different editing process. But I like to use Canva because I can easily just download the artwork here and upload them to each of these apps. And then once you want to go into video, when watching the videos for these, just click in the description below and you'll have those, or you could just type in Luma Booth demos or Luma Share demos and tutorials as well. Last one is going to be Zoom. Zoom is for those of you that have purchased our support packages. We'll be using Zoom to log into your iPad, see what you're seeing. If you give us remote control, we could also show you direct from there, or we can just kind of walk you through it. But that is for tutorials and for us to give you live support. If you haven't done so already, please like this video as well as subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.